Hey guys, back again with another video. My wife Cindy always does a great job in interior decorating, and she recently purchased this Cathedral Black Metal Mirror from Amazon to replace the existing mirror in her entrance foyer. There's an affiliate link in the description below that you can find out more information about this mirror. So I removed all the items from the entrance foyer table and placed a small mark on the wall to indicate where the bottom of the existing mirror hung. Wanted to make sure I didn't mount the new mirror up too high or too low from that entrance foyer table. So I took a few more measurements. I removed the old anchor from the wall and then removed the entrance foyer table. Took a few more measurements to make sure. Then I flipped over the new mirror to get the distance between the two anchors on the back, which came out to be 16 inches. I used my level on the wall to mark the two spots 16 inches apart to ensure that they were level. To hang the mirror, I'm using these drywall anchors that are rated 65 pounds. If you're not familiar with these, that's all I use. So I tap those in, and then I used a screwdriver to screw those in the rest of the way to the drywall. Then I took the metal screws and screwed those in about 3/4 of the way, leaving a little bit of the screw head out, so I would have a place to hang the mirror. So I took my time to hang the mirror up, make sure it didn't fall. That wouldn't be a good situation. We're a new channel, so I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel. It's free, there's no obligation, just simply bookmarks our channel in your subscription so we can easily be found. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. So it took a few more minutes to wipe off all the fingerprints, return back all the other items, put those in place. So as you can see, it turned out very beautiful. I would like to give a thumbs up to my wife, Cindy. Thanks for viewing today. Have a great day.